If your HVAC system is constantly struggling to keep your home at the right temperature, when the weather gets crazy hot or freezing cold, you're definitely not alone. So first, check if your HVAC unit is actually the right size for your house. Too small, and it's going to work overtime, which sucks energy and your wallet. Next, look at your insulation. If your walls, attic, or windows are letting all that conditioned air escape, no wonder your system can't keep up. You can add weather stripping or upgrade window treatments to help. Also, don't forget to change your air filters regularly. A dirty one makes the system work harder and less efficiently. If you notice weird noises or your electricity bill spikes during extreme weather, it might be time to schedule a professional tune-up. Setting your thermostat at a steady temperature instead of constantly adjusting it can also reduce stress on your system. And finally, using ceiling fans to help circulate air can ease the load on your HVAC. One of the biggest mistakes people make with their HVAC system during extreme weather is ignoring the size issue. A too small system just cannot cool or heat effectively when it's really hot or cold outside. The fix? Get a professional to do a load calculation for your home to find the right size. Another common problem is poor insulation and air leaks. If your home isn't sealed up tight, all that effort from your HVAC goes to waste. Sealing gaps and adding insulation can make a huge difference. Lastly, many folks skip regular maintenance, which leads to dirty filters and worn-out parts that reduce efficiency and cause breakdowns. Scheduling routine service keeps everything running smooth and saves money in the long run. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners looking to connect with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. For contractors, it's an awesome platform to find new clients and grow their business by showcasing their skills and reputation.